what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, Jelly TV at Uptown. Dito tayo after ng ating cycling practice guys, day 5 at BGC Uptown Mall guys. Dito tayo sa may fountain, ayan. Pero inaayos nila guys eh. So hindi siya nagana. Ayan. After ng ating practice, ayan. Flex ko lang guys yung ating morning. What's up? So yan ang kagandahan ng nila guys. PS4 guys, naayos yung fountain guys. Andito tayo tapat na Parmigiano and Team Hoan and Manam, ayan guys ang sa ating mga ka-FBCC veteran team ng Taguig. So yeah, what's up? So yun ating for today's vlog, huwag kalimutan, kung bago kayo sa aking channel, huwag kalimutang i-follow, like and share ang ating Facebook Johnny Gamboa and ating channel Jelly TV at BGC Uptown Mall. So, Tipo Morgan de Town Mall. Shoutout dyan parang Edward. So see you soon malapit na. Pahinga muna ako dito pare, then diretso na ako dyan. Muli guys, so siguro hanggang dito na natin po to this vlog and to my channel. Huwag kalimutang i-follow, subscribe, like and share ating Facebook, yun ko ba ating channel Jelly TV at BGC Uptown after ng practice inside day 5 guys. And inside sir, inside.